Hi everyone, this is Ali from Vintage Page Designs, and today I'll be showing you how to make a triangle stab binding. Both the covers and the pages will have handmade paper from my online store. So first you want to gather your supplies from the list on the website. You can print that off or just see it online. And the first thing we'll do is create a punching template. You're going to take your 2 pieces of cardboard. They're the same height as your book cover. Mine is 7 3/4 inches, although yours might be slightly different. And they're approximately 2 inches wide. For the inner template, you're going to mark a line that is 1/2 inch from the spine edge. And you're going to mark 2 sewing holes from the head at 1.5 inches and at 2 inches. I'm using a quilting ruler, which is really useful for this. Then you're going to mark from the bottom of the book the same 1.5 and 2 inches. And I've marked where the spine is, and I'm just marking where the head of the book is. Just sort of reinforcing those holes with Sharpie so I can see them clearly. And then next we will make the punching template for the outer binding. It's the same height as the book. I'm marking the head. I've already marked where the spine is. And you're going to make a line that is 1.5 inches from the spine edge. Then we're going to mark 4 sewing holes. Going from the head, it's 1 inch down at the 1 inch mark, and then at the 3 inch mark. You're going to flip it around, and from the tail it's 1 inch mark and the 3 inch mark. If you want to have the 4 holes divided evenly, you could use dividers, but I've just used this easier method to make the measurements easier for you. So next up we are going to create the sewing holes.